Hi, researchers. So this week we are going to finish up our animal reports. Last week you wrote all about what the animal has and what the animal does. So remember, you chose your animal, you talked about what they have, if they had wings, or I talked about how they had a long neck. So you could have talked about maybe they have really long legs, or maybe they have more than 4 legs if you're doing some sort of insect. And then you also should have written a page about what they can do. I wrote about how my animal, the giraffe, can have babies, and they can also sleep standing up, which was really cool. And remember, I talked about how you could use my special paper that I put on Canvas, or you can just use a regular piece of paper. So at this point, you should have 2 pieces of paper. You should have one piece of paper about what your animal has, and then you should have another piece of paper about what your animal can do. Today, we are going to be talking about what your animal can eat, or what your animal eats. Now, I found a book on Epic talking all about how my giraffe eats plants. And I thought that was cool. It says giraffes eat plants and they use their long necks to reach leaves on tall trees. But I was thinking, I wonder if they eat anything other than plants, or I wonder what types of plants they eat. So sometimes the book that you choose is not going to have all of the information. You're going to have to go on another website or you're going to have to find another book on Epic that will tell you more information. So I found another book right here that says giraffes eat leaves from tall trees. Their favorite leaves are from acacia trees. And I'm not sure if Mrs. Ferris is saying that right, but so I put that actually in my writing because I found the exact type of tree that giraffes eat from. And so I wanted to include that in my animal report. So going back to my animal report, today I wrote about what animals eat. So I said, giraffes eat leaves from trees called acacia trees. They drink water too. So I found this other page right here talking about how giraffes, they have to lower their bodies to drink from watering holes. And so that's one thing they really like to do. They like to drink water to nourish their bodies as well. So today you need to write one page about what your animal eats. So like I said, you can use this fancy paper, or you can use our regular writing paper as well. You need to write at least 2 sentences about what your animal eats.